Stock investments. Tips, strategies, and analyses on different stocks and sectors. Introduction. Welcome to a world where financial success becomes your reality. Have you ever wondered what sets the wealthiest investors apart from the average Joe? Today, we embark on a journey that unlocks the doors to prosperity. In this gripping episode of Improve Your Money, we unveil invaluable tips, powerful strategies, and profound analyses that will revolutionize your approach to stock investments. This is not your average financial tutorial. It's a quest for knowledge that challenges your preconceived notions and leads you to enlightenment. Together, we shatter barriers, guiding you towards the elite circle of wealth creation. Join us as we uncover hidden techniques used by finance titans, revealing the essence of their success. We delve into the depths of the stock market, peering into the minds of accomplished investors to discover the secrets that have eluded the masses. Immerse yourself in a world of invaluable tips, powerful strategies, and profound analyses. Together, we rewrite the rules of investing, paving the way for your financial triumph. Are you ready to step into the realm of the wealthy and join those who have mastered the art of investing? Stay tuned as we unravel mysteries guarded by the financial elite. Get ready to unveil the secrets that separate the few from the many. This is Improve Your Money, and your journey to financial greatness starts now. The art of choosing winning stocks. Now, we dive deep into the mysterious world of stock investments, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Join me on this thrilling journey as we explore the art of choosing winning stocks. At the heart of successful investing lies the ability to identify undervalued stocks. It's the key that unlocks the door to immense wealth. But how do we determine the true value of a company? That's where fundamental analysis comes into play. In the realm of fundamental analysis, we decode the financial statements and ratios, extracting the hidden truths that reveal a company's potential. We delve into balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, seeking clues the market may have overlooked. But it doesn't stop there. We assess competitive advantages and industry positioning, understanding the intricate dance between companies and their market environment. Are they the underdogs or the kings of their domain? The answer lies within our analysis. However, the art of choosing winning stocks goes beyond fundamentals. It extends into the realm of technical analysis, where we harness the power of market patterns and indicators. Brace yourselves as we dive into the enchanting world of charts, trends, and patterns. Through meticulous analysis, we uncover the hidden messages whispered by the market. We identify repeating patterns, signaling potential opportunities for profit. But it doesn't stop there. We utilize indicators as our guides, pointing us towards optimal entry and exit points, helping us navigate the ever-changing tides of the stock market. Now, my fellow adventurers, I pose a question to you. Which factors do you consider when choosing stocks for your portfolio? Is it the company's financial health, their market positioning, or perhaps something entirely different? Share your insights in the comments below as we learn from one another on this captivating journey. The art of choosing winning stocks is a blend of science, intuition, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue our expedition, remember that the path to financial prosperity is filled with challenges, but the rewards are beyond measure. Stay tuned as we unravel more secrets and strategies that will transform your stock investing game. Sector Spotlight. Unleashing the power of diversification. Brace yourselves as we unleash the power of diversification and explore the untapped potential of different sectors. Within the vast landscape of the stock market, sectors hold a significant role. They are the building blocks that shape the market's performance. But what makes sectors so important? Join me as we embark on an expedition to unravel the significance of sectors in the stock market. Sector analysis is the compass that guides us through the labyrinth of investments. We dive deep into industry trends, news, and market cycles, uncovering opportunities and identifying potential pitfalls. By understanding the dynamics of each sector, we can mitigate risk and maximize growth potential. Our journey into sector analysis takes us through a labyrinth of data. We evaluate sector-specific metrics and indicators, extracting valuable insights that unveil the hidden treasures within. It's a meticulous process, but one that sets us apart as astute investors. Now let us unlock the power of diversification. It's the secret weapon that shields our portfolios from turbulence and propels our journey towards financial prosperity. We strive for balance, spreading our investments across different sectors to reduce vulnerability and seize opportunities. In this ever-evolving market, the landscape continually shifts, presenting us with new horizons of potential. We identify emerging sectors with long-term growth prospects, aligning our investments with the industries of tomorrow. By staying ahead of the curve, we position ourselves for success. Now, I invite you to join the discussion. Which sectors do you believe hold the greatest potential in today's market? Is it technology, healthcare, renewable energy, or perhaps something entirely different? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below as we engage in a collective exploration of possibilities. The Sector Spotlight is our guiding star, illuminating the path towards financial greatness. As we continue our journey, remember that diversification is the key, and emerging sectors are the gateways to future prosperity. Stay tuned as we unravel more secrets and strategies that will transform your stock investing game. Analyzing the present, predicting the future. In this segment, we dive deep into the realm of analysis, the compass that guides us in our quest for profitable investments. Get ready to analyze the present and predict the future as we unravel the mysteries of successful stock investing. Analysis is the cornerstone of our journey, my friends. It is the key that unlocks the doors to financial prosperity. By understanding the importance of analysis, we gain a strategic advantage in the ever-changing world of stocks. Our first stop on this analytical voyage is technical analysis. Here we decode the intricate patterns and signals that dance upon the market stage. Candlestick patterns become our language, revealing the emotions and actions of traders. Support and resistance levels act as guideposts, indicating when to enter or exit a trade. And let's not forget the powerful trio of moving averages, MACD and RSI, which offer us glimpses into market trends and momentum. But analysis doesn't stop there. We also venture into the realm of fundamental analysis, where we assess the very health and growth prospects of the companies we invest in. We delve into financial statements, examining revenue, earnings, and debt. We scrutinize industry trends, identifying opportunities and threats. We dissect competitive advantages, seeking companies with a winning edge. And of course, we evaluate the quality of management, as their decisions can make or break a company's future. Now, my fellow adventurers, I invite you to join the conversation. Which analytical method resonates with you the most? Is it the art of reading the market's patterns through technical analysis? Or perhaps the science of evaluating company health and growth through fundamental analysis? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below as we explore the diverse perspectives that shape our investment strategies. The present holds secrets, and the future remains uncertain. But armed with analysis, we can navigate the maze of the stock market with confidence. Stay tuned as we continue our journey, unraveling more strategies and insights that will elevate your stock investing game. Get ready to face the challenges that lie ahead. My fellow adventurers, may your analyses be sharp, your predictions true, and your investments prosperous. Conclusion. Throughout this video, we have unveiled invaluable tips, powerful strategies, and profound analyses that have the potential to revolutionize your approach to stock investments. But remember, knowledge alone is not enough. Action is the catalyst for change. I encourage you to take the wisdom gained here and apply it to your investment journey. Put these strategies into practice, adapt them to your unique circumstances, and watch as your financial landscape transforms before your eyes. This is not the end of our story, but merely the beginning of a new chapter. I invite you to continue this dialogue in the comments section below. Share your success stories, insights, and burning questions. Let's create a vibrant community of like-minded individuals, supporting and learning from one another. As we conclude this video, I want to express my deepest gratitude for joining us on this adventure. Your commitment to improving your financial literacy and managing your money is commendable. Remember, my fellow adventurers, the path to financial freedom is not always easy. But with determination, perseverance, and the right knowledge, you can overcome any obstacle. Take what you've learned here and let it guide you towards a future of abundance.